I don't typically do this, but with all this construction and work, had to get it rinsed off. I know it's gonna rain the next 2 days, but had to do it. All right, man, welcome back to the channel, man. It's just gonna be a quick POV video, man. I had to get the car rinsed off, even though I know it's gonna rain for the next 2 days. And one reason why I wanted to do that, you know, I get dirty sitting in the garage at home and stuff, but the garage at work is a lot of construction, a lot of dust and debris. So stay tuned for the video, man. Just a little quick POV, get a quick enjoyment. Get a quick drive in, man, where I can enjoy it a little bit before I have to put it up for the next 2 days. Planned on driving it all week, but next week for sure, man. It's supposed to be really nice next week, so stay tuned for the video. Just a little POV video, man, as I take the car back home. I had to get it rinsed off, man. It was terrible today at work, man. They got a bunch of construction, a bunch of dust flying everywhere. This morning, dude working over top of my car. I was a little worried that he may drop something, spill something or whatever, because that's been happening, but anyway, they didn't. So, again, it's just a POV video, man. Take a little ride with me. Sound good. Man, let me see. Turn on this pedal box, man. City mode on the pedal box right now, man. Take some of the lag out the accelerator. Pretty much always driving custom anyway, and my custom mode got street traction, sports suspension, track steering, sports transmission, so they're like Ford ain't selling nothing as a ride by, man. Tons of Broncos and Explorers. It's a little bit close. Well, it's rush hour. Again, I just wanted to rinse the car off, get a quick POV if I had to put it up for the next couple of days. Probably pull the Tahoe out tonight and drive it. So sound pretty good, man. Past the Chevy dealers, don't like they got much out there. Got that EV Silverado you see sitting over there. Today's society, man, so I just figured I'd go out and take a quick little ride, clear my mind, not listen to all the negativity and nonsense going on in DC.